Hello and welcome to this video about Mural. In this video we're going to be introducing Mural. We're going to be looking at what it is, why you would use it, some activities that you can use Mural for. We're going to be looking at how to add different types of content, how to invite collaborators, and how to embed a read-only mural into your Canvas course. So this is what a mural looks like, but what is it? Specifically, Mural is a virtual whiteboard which can be used for collaboration to engage students in real time. Some reasons why you might consider using Mural. It provides a common space for students and teachers to work together in real time. It engages learners and fosters equitable collaboration. It allows you to create inclusive environments that spark creativity and enhance group cohesion and collaboration. Mural allows you to add files, text, icons, images, videos, and even draw directly in the workspace. It allows students to be co-creators of content, and they can also be integrated into your Canvas courses. When you might consider using Mural is when you're asking students to do group projects where they can plan, brainstorm, mind map, organize, and analyze their ideas. Some activities that you can do in Mural. So you can use it for instruction and facilitation. You can use it for group planning. You can use it to gather feedback, organize content. You can use it for icebreakers and introductions. As we said already, brainstorming and mind mapping, co-creating material, and it allows students to be in the same place at the same time, working together on work that they need to do for you. If you utilize breakout rooms, each room can have access to their own mural too. Mural has an anonymous voting function, which allows you to get honest responses and feedback from your students in a fun and interactive way. Adding content in Mural is a fairly easy process. Using the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen, you can add some basic content. So you can add text, icons, shapes, connectors. So we're going to look at each of these in turn. So for adding text, you can add sticky notes of any size, of any color. You can add titles, text boxes, and comments, and it's very easy. You just have to double click anywhere inside the canvas like I just did, and that will generate the last sticky note that you use, and they're very easy to edit. Sticky notes and text allow you to add thoughts and ideas and feedback effortlessly. Shapes and connectors make it easy to build diagrams to map out complex workflows. Icons are used to customize your murals. You can search for any icon that you like, just typing it into the search box here. Frameworks allow you to organize content in impactful ways to help you connect ideas and uncover insights. You can also search for images and GIFs, and you can drag and drop these visuals to enhance the collaborative session. As well as adding images, you can also import your files from your own computer or your OneDrive and customize your murals. Once you've decided what the purpose of your mural is and the type of framework that you want to use, the idea behind it, then you want to be able to share it with other people. One of the greatest features about Mural is that it allows you to collaborate with people in real time. So wherever you happen to be, you can use this during your synchronous sessions, but you also have the ability to be able to work on murals asynchronously as well. So there are 4 different ways that you can share your murals. So the first way that you can share your mural with people is you can invite people to your mural. So people will automatically join as members of your workspace, and you control the permissions they have, whether you want them to edit or view. The visitor link is a way that you can share your mural with people who are not members of your organization or don't have mural spaces. So you can share it with people just by copying the link and sharing it. You can add a password if you want as well. Another thing that you can do is you can export your mural so you can get a shareable PDF or PNG file of your mural for offline use. And the last thing that you might want to do is you might want to embed a copy of your mural into your Canvas course. And so to do that, you would find the embed code by going to this share button here. See, these are the 4 options that we just looked at. Go to the embed, you copy the snippet, and then I'll show you. I have one prepared here, so I'm in my Canvas test course. I've added a page called Adding a View-Only Mural to Canvas because it doesn't actually allow you to edit the mural once you're in Canvas. So I've added the title. I'm going to click Edit. I'm going to flit over to the HTML editor. I'm just going to paste that snippet in. And then if I go back to my normal view, you'll be able to see the mural in this space. If you wanted to give students access to your mural through Canvas, then you would have to add the link. And so the way we would do that is if we go back to Mural, get a visitor link, we could copy this link, go back to our page, we can edit. We want to go to the top of the page and we will copy the link in here. We'll save that. And so from here, once you've added your mural into Canvas, you can see it from here and you have the same functionality. You can zoom, you can pan, but you cannot edit or add anything to the mural in this read-only view. If you wanted to, you would have to add the link. Then students could follow the link and that would take them to the mural where you will see this is where I was last time, and then they'll be able to collaborate with each other from within the mural. If you decide to use Mural for any of the activities in your course, Mural does provide templates for you. So here is just a photograph of the template library. To access it, you would go to the dashboard, click on the template library, and you can browse all of the templates that they have available for you. And then you can decide to use it in your own mural. Here are some template examples that you might find useful for your course. You might want to use them for course introductions, a research summary, reflections, a study guide, an e-learning storyboard if you wanted your students to create those, or a stop, start, continue. And so what I did here is I added a sticky note with the name of the mural, and then I added a link so that it would take you straight to the mural. So this one here for course introductions, I have it open on this page here. So you would be able to use this template for your course, and you can see that it's very well laid out. Has course introductions, it has a nice visual and instructions on what students need to do in each of the different sections. And so they would use the outline feature here with the notes that explain what it is that they need to do once they're in each section. Another example, the stop, start, continue. So as you can see, this template is also ready to go. Gives you some information on how to use it, and then some space here for things that you should start, stop, or continue doing. So something that you could use with your students anytime during your teaching so that you can get some feedback from them. So if you're interested in using Mural for its collaborative capabilities, here's a help page on how to get started. And we also have some additional resources here for you to use as you're learning and working your way through using Mural. So what we looked at today, we looked at what Mural was, why you might use it, some of the activities that you can use it for. We looked at the different types of content that you could add, how to invite collaborators, and how to embed a read-only mural into your Canvas course. I hope this has given you the information that you need to try Mural out for yourselves.